It's very important chapter. Okay. So pay attention to this one. We'll revise a little bit and I'll ask you the questions. Next year as well, it will help you in expansions and wherever something you have to solve, these square roots will play a very important role. Okay. These expansions and all. Okay. So if I write a raised to power m, so what do we call a? A is the base. A is called as
Base.
base. And this m is called as exponent. It is called as power, or we can call index as well. Index of A. Okay. Index of A. Okay. This is clear. Okay. If I write like 2 raised to power 2, what does it mean?
Sir, 2 into 2.
It means 2 into 2. So we are multiplying 2 times. Okay, 3 raised to power 2, 3 into 3. Okay, if I write 2 raised to power 5, it means 2 is multiplied 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. By itself, it is multiplied 5 times. Understood now? This is 2 raised to power 5. Okay. If I say 2 raised to power minus 1, what does it mean? 1 by 2? Yes or no? 2 raised to power minus 2, 1 by 2 square. And it is 1 by 4. Understood this one? So a raised to power minus m. It is 1 upon a raised to power m. This you all have understood? A raised to power minus m equal to 1 upon a raised to power m. Okay. If I write like this, 1 upon a raised to power minus m, it will be how much? A raised to power m, yes or no? A raised to power m, or if I write like this, 1 upon a raised to power m, it will be how much? A raised to power minus m. Understood this one? Okay. Next is, okay, I ask you the questions now. Okay. 2 raised to power 3. How much it will be? Anyone in class? How much it will be? 2 raised to power 3. 8. It is 2 cube. It is 2 cube. That is 2 multiplied how many times? 1 time, 2 times by itself. Okay. 3 times we are multiplying. It is 8. Okay. Now the next is 2 raised to power minus 2. A raised to power minus m. It will be this one. And it is how much? 1 upon 2 into 2. It is how much? 1 upon 4. Understood? Okay. Minus 2 raised to power 2. How much it is? It is minus 2 into minus 2. So it is 4. Okay. Plus 4. So see here, if question is given minus a whole raised to power m. If m is even, then it can be written as a raised to power m. Yes or no? Negative m times it is even, so it will become positive. Yes or no? Okay. Minus 2 raised to power 4. How much? Can we write it like this? 2 raised to power 4?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? It is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How much it is? 16.
16.
Okay. 16. So, anything negative number raised to power even power. It will be negative power will be 1. Okay. Minus a raised to power m. If m is odd, then
minus
A.
minus a raised to power m. Okay. Okay. I'm giving some examples. Let's do them. Okay. Minus 2 raised to power minus 1. Okay, raised to power 1. How much it will be?
minus 2
Minus 2. Okay. Minus 2 raised to power 3. Minus 2, the whole cube.
minus 8
Minus 2 upon 3.
Okay. Minus 2 upon 3. No. Minus 2 raised to power 3. We can write it like this, and this is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Okay, as you do it like this as well, what you are getting? Again, minus 8. Okay. Or if we do like this, minus 2 raised to power 3, minus outside 2 into 2 into 2. Again, we are getting minus 8. Okay. So minus a raised to power m, when m is even, we are writing a raised to power m. Minus a raised to power m, odd, we are writing minus, we take outside a raised to power m. Okay. This is clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If we write a by b, the whole square, then
A
can we write it
upon
like
B
this?
square.
A square upon b square. Okay.
Yes,
If
sir.
it is given like this, we can write like this. Or if it is given like this, we can write like this. Okay. For example, 2 by 3 whole square. Solve this. How to solve? 2
2
square
square
divided by 3 square equal to
4 upon 9.
4 upon 9. Okay. Or you can solve it like this also. 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. You will get the same answer. Yes. Okay. Next question is 10 square divided by 2 square. How to solve? Can I write like this? 10 by 2 the whole square.
Sir.
We can write. Why we can write? Same powers are there. Same powers are there. We can write like this. Okay. Now we can divide them within the bracket. 5 square.
25.
25. 25 will get. As well you can see here. 10 into 10 divided by 2 into 2. 2 get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. 5 into 5, 25. We are getting same answer. Is this clear?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, if both are in minus, can you show an example?
Okay. You give me one example. Okay. Both are in
Minus
minus. Okay. Minus
2 by 3
2 by 3
whole raised to power minus 3.
whole raised to power minus 2. Okay. So how can you do this one? Is it even? Minus 2 is
Yes.
even number or odd number? Even. Okay. So we can do first or second. Okay. First I am doing removing this minus sign. It will be 2 by 3 raised to power minus 2. And it will be, we have to take the reciprocal now.
3 by 2.
Whole square. Okay. You can do like this. Or you can do like this also. First take the reciprocal. 3 by 2 minus sign we put here or here, doesn't matter. We always keep it with the numerator, that is fine. Square. Now we can remove minus sign. 3 by 2 the whole square. Yes or no? Because it is even power, therefore minus we can remove. Understood? Either you can first do this operation or this one. It doesn't matter. Understood now? And it will be how much? 3 square upon 2 square. 9 upon 4. Okay. Or you can say 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. 9 upon 4. Have you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now do this question. Minus 2 upon 5. Minus 2 upon 5 raised to power minus 3 divided by 2 upon minus 2 upon 5. Minus 2 upon 5 raised to power 7. Raised to power minus 7. Okay. Solve this one. How you are going to solve this one? So first what you are going to do? Can we take the reciprocal and
Sir,
make this
we will-
power positive? Okay. Can we write like this?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. 2 only go. Okay. Raised to power 7. Okay. Now Now what to do?
Minus 125 upon.
What we have to do now?
Sir, we
It's division.
will 3.
Sir,
we can minus the power.
Okay, so see here, two ways you can do. Okay, two ways we can do. Okay, one way it is like this: 5.2 raised to power 3 divided by minus 5/2 raised to power 3. Okay, so it can be like this. See here, base are same. We can write like this: 3 minus 7. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you remember a raised to power m upon a raised to power m? When base are same, we can write it like this: m minus n.
Yes.
Okay. Or if it is like this, a raised to power m into a raised to power n, then
A raised to m plus
A
n.
m in
n plus n. Okay. If it is like this, a raised to power m, the whole raised to power n, it is mn. Okay, we'll take examples of them as well. Okay, this are taken some tough. Okay, this is fine. Now it will be minus 5/2 raised to power minus 4. Yes or no? Which this minus sign we want to remove. 5/2 raised to power minus 4. Next, 2/5 raised to power 4.
upon.
2 raised to power 4. 5 raised to power 4. You can solve them.
16 upon 225.
225. No. 25
No,
into
sir,
25.
625.
625. Okay, now I give you some more examples. Okay, this was little tough. Okay, some very basic I'll give you. Okay, 2 raised to power 7 divided by 2 raised to power 4. Solve it.
2 raised to 2 cube.
Sir, it
2
will be
cube.
answer.
So you can directly do 7 minus 2, 7 minus 4. Okay, 2 cube. Okay, for example, I do not know that I can subtract. So very basic will go 2 raised to power 7 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many? 3 to 5, 6, 7 times. 2 how many times? 4 times. Okay. Now cut them. How many are remaining? 2 cube.
3.
Understood now? It means we have subtracted the power. Yes or no? 7 minus 4, 3, 2 cube. 1, 2, 3. 8 is the answer. Understood now? Here,
Sir,
base are same and then denominator, so 7 minus 4. Understood this one? Okay, do this one. 2 raised to power 2 into 2 raised to power 3. What will be the answer?
sir, 2 raised to power.
Power 5. If you do not know, 2 into 2, done. Into 3 times 2. How many 2's are there now? 2 raised to
5.
power 5. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 raised to power 5. Okay. If I do like this, 2 square the whole cube.
2 raised to power 6.
2 raised to power 6.
2 raised to power 6. What does it mean? 2 square whole raised to power 3. Either you can do this way. 2 square into 2 square into 2 square. 3 times 2 square. Okay. Now each will be 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2. How much? 2 raised to power 6. Or you can do it like this also. 2 into 2 whole raised to power 3. So it will be there like this: 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. This is repeating how many times? 3 times. Okay, it is 2 raised to power 6. Understood now? Addition here. 2 square whole raised to power 3 here. Cube. So 2 raised to power 6. Is this clear?
Yes,
Is this
sir.
clear? Okay. So some questions I'm going to give. Okay, please tell me, is it correct? 2 raised to power 2 into 3 raised to power 3. 6 raised to power 5. Is it correct or wrong?
Sir, wrong.
It's wrong. Okay.
Sir, base are not same.
Base are not same, so we cannot add the powers. Okay. So what will be the answer? Base are same, base are not base are different, so we can't add the power. It will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. It is how much? 4. 4 into 27. Okay. You can solve that one. 100, 100 and how much? 2 is remaining. 4 is 8. Okay. 108
108.
you will get. 108 you will get. Okay. You will see how I multiplied. 27 I put it 7 plus 2. 4 5 425 ja 100. 4 2 ja 8. 108. Okay. This is different. We can multiply it orally like that. If you don't remember 27, okay. Okay. Next question. These all we have done. Okay. Okay. 2 raised to power x divided by 2 raised to power minus 1 equal to 2 raised to power 5. Calculate value of x. How we can calculate value of x? We have to calculate x. It means first always check whether the base are same. If base are okay, give me this answer. 2 raised to power x equal to 2 raised to power 9. What will be the value of x?
Sir, 9.
What will be the value of x? 9. See here, if base are same, it means powers are same. When the base are same, we can equate the powers. When base are same, we can equate the powers. Okay, give me this question. 2 raised to power x equal to 4 square. Is x equal to 2?
No, sir.
No.
So base
Okay,
not
so
same.
what? Base are not same, we can't equate. So we have to make the base same. Okay, now 2 raised to power x, 2 raised to power 4. Okay, we have to make the
X
base
equal
same
to 4.
first. X equal to 4. Okay, now here what we can do? First, we have to solve this one. 2 raised to power x, it is like this. 2 raised to power minus 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
So x minus 1 plus 1, it will be 2 raised to power x plus 1 equal to 2 raised to power 5.
Sir,
Now we can equate the powers.
X
You
is
can do other way as well. Okay. 1 minute. Okay, we'll go with that. Okay. Or you can do it like this as well. 2 raised to power x divided by 1 by 2 equal to 2 raised to power 5. 2 raised to power x multiplication 2. Yes or no? 2 raised to power 5. 2 raised to power, here it is 1 only. 1 only, 2 raised to power 1. X
Yes.
plus 1. 2 raised to power 5. So x plus 1 equal to 5. X equal to 4. You can calculate that. Okay. Okay, give me the answer of this one. 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 2. Okay, you have to solve this one in 10 minutes. Raised to power 0.
sir 1.
Sir, 1.
Sir, anything raised to power 0 is 1.
Anything raised to power 0 is 1. Anything
1.
raised to
One.
power 0 1. Okay. What about this?
1.
Okay. Try to find this one. What will be the value of this? 0 raised to power 0. Or 0 raised to power 1 equal to 0. So what is this? Okay. Try to find this. Okay. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. Okay. Okay. Solve this one. 3 raised to power 2x plus 1 into 3. 3 square equal to 3 raised to power 5. Okay. Solve this one. Solve this one. How we are going to solve? Are the base same? So what will be
Yes.
there? 2x plus 1 plus 2
Plus
equal to 3 raised to power 5. 3 raised to power 5, how much it will be? 2x plus 3. 3 raised to power 5. Base are same, we can equate the power. 2x plus 3 equal to 5. 2x
Sir, X.
5.
x equal to 1. Okay. Okay, do this question. Four raised to power x plus 4 raised to power x plus 4 raised to power x equal to 192. Try to solve this one. How you are going to solve this one? 192, factorize it. Okay, factorize this one and this one as this. How you can write? 4 raised to power x plus 4 raised to power x plus 4 raised to power x. Okay, can you write it like this? 4 raised to power x plus x. Can you?
Yes.
Okay, then what is this? Okay, what is this?
4 upon 3x.
4 upon 3x. Then if you are adding or multiplying, are we getting the same thing? Somewhere is mistake.
Yes, sir.
So we can't do it like this. So what have to be done like here?
Then we have to multiply x.
Okay,
By
see here, can we take 4x common? How many 4x are there? Okay, if I gave you, okay, apple, okay, plus plus. How many apples you have?
3.
3 apples. Okay, now 4x raised to power 4x plus raised to power 4x. How many you have? 3 into
4x.
4x. Yes or no? Okay, or you can do 3 into 4x only it is. Or you can do it like this. 4x you take common. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 4 is power x into 3. Or we can write 3 into 4x. Yes or no? Have you understood this one? Any way you can do. Have you understood this one? Okay. So what we are going to write left hand side? It's in plus. So we can't add the powers. If in multiplication we add the powers, in division there we separate the powers. Okay. So it will be how much? 3 into 4 raised to power x. 192. Next step, 4 raised to power x. 192 divided by 3. Divide and tell how much it is.
64.
3 is 18. So 60.
64.
So base are different. Can you make it in the terms of 4? 4 is to
4
power
x
something. 4 is to power x. 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 4,
64.
4 cube. Okay. Base are same. We can equate the power. X equal to 3. Yes or no? X equal to 3.
Yes.
You can see as you put here 64 plus 64 plus 64. 192 you will get. Is this clear? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
One question, if you have doubt, you can ask or do this one. 2 raised to power minus 1 divided by 2 raised to power minus 2 whole raised to power minus 3. Everyone solve this one. Everyone solve this one. Everyone solve this one. 2 raised to power minus 1 divided by 2 raised to power minus 2 minus 3. Okay, so how we are going to do? You can do first remove this one, or you can remove these as well. That's up to you. Okay. So first, what you are removing? Making the power positive or the divide sign you are removing?
We're making the power positive.
Okay, making the power positive, so it will be 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 square. Okay. Now this one
1 by 2
1 by 2
Into?
into 2 square.
2 square is to power minus
raised to 3.
Now this is like this. Okay. Now
2 raised to power minus 3.
2 raised to power minus 3. It is how much? 1 upon
1
2
by
raised to
8.
power 6. 1 by 8. 1 by 8.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, give me answer of this one. 5 into 725 raised to power 7 plus 457 into 273 raised to power 18 4 raised to power 4 minus 4. So how you are going to start? From where we will start? From where will you start? Tell me first from where you will start to solve this. Where you will start first? Are you going to take first this one, raised to power 7? Anyone in class? Okay. So where you will start? See the powers?
Sir, 4 minus 4 is 0. Sir, it
It's
is
0.
Sir, it
So
1.
1.
1.
Okay. So always keep checking. Don't start it at last. You say 0 and 1. Okay. Simply we can say 0. It's 1. It's 1. Okay. Minus 3 square raised to power 0.
1.
1.
1.
1. 1. Okay. Always remember this one. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. Okay. So these questions are clear? Clear to all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One very easy question I give you. 2 raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power minus 6. Solve this one. Everyone solve this one. 2 raised to power
2
3 into
raised
2
to
raised.
power 3 minus 6.
1 by 8.
It will be like this. Or you can say 2 raised to power minus 6. Either you can directly do 3 plus minus 6. From here you can do directly as well. 3 plus minus 6. Or you can do like this also. So it is 2
2
raised to
raised to
power
power minus 3.
Minus
1
1
upon 2
upon
raised to
1
power
by
3.
1.
2 raised to
upon
power
8.
1 upon 8. Okay. So this is clear to all.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Sir,
So now, yes.
sir,
Anyone have
1
doubt?
upon 8. Sir, 1 upon 8 can we write 8 also?
How can we write 1 upon 8? We can write it like this, 8 raised to power minus 1. But 1 upon 8 is not equal to 8. What does 1 upon 8 means? We are having 1, we are divided into 8 parts. So each part is 1 by 8. Okay. And 8 means this has to be multiplied 8 times. Whatever we are divided in 8 parts. Okay. They are different. So 1 by 8 we can write like this, 8 raised to power minus 1. Okay. But it's better to keep it like this. Okay. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Then we discuss squares. Okay. Little bit of square we'll discuss now. A little bit we'll discuss tomorrow. And then after 5 minutes we'll start tomorrow, third chapter. Cubes and cube roots. It's very easy as compared to square root, cube roots. Okay. So if I am giving 2 square of 2, you calculate. It means 2 square. How much it will be? 2 square.
4.
4.
4. 7 square.
49.
49.
49. So how you have calculated? 2 square means 2 into 2. 7 square means 7 into 7. This is the square. Okay. So square of 2 is 4. Okay.
4.
Now if I give you 4, calculate its square root. It will be
2.
what it means, see, you can see the relation. Square root of 2 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Then it means when you calculate the square root of 2, you have to calculate the number whose square is 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, your voice is not coming clearly.
Okay. Whenever the voice is not clear, just let me know. Okay. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if we are having 4 numbers given, you are given 4. Okay. And the question asks what is the square root of 4? It means we have to find the number whose square is 4. We have to find the number whose square is 4. You can see 4 equal to 2 square. So 2 is the square root of 4. Okay. If it is given, okay, 9, 36. Okay. 36 is given. You have to calculate the
6.
square root of 36. How you can calculate whose square is 36?
6.
It is
6.
6 square. So 6 is the square root. Okay. The bigger number is given, it is difficult to calculate. So how you calculate the time? So first, factorization to how much it will be? 2,
9.
3,
3.
3.
3. So 36 we can write 2 into
2 into
2
2.
into 3 into 3. This we can write. Okay.
Bracket
Root of
2.
36 will be this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And from each pair, we take 1 out. And root of 36 equal to 2
2
into
into
3.
3.
2 into 3. So from each pair, we
6.
take 1 out. It is 6. So you have understood how to take the square root by prime factorization.
Yes, sir.
If it is not factorizable, for example, 8 square root we have to calculate. How to calculate square root? It is how much? 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. From each pair we are taking 1 out. Yes or no? 1 pair. Other pair is not formed. It means what will be the answer? 2. And this 2 will remain under root. This will remain under root. So 2 root 2 is the square root of 8. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Moreover, if we have to calculate, we can calculate using long division method also. Square roots.
Yes,
Long
sir.
division method. Okay. That you will remember or forgotten.
Sir, remember.
Remember, that's good. So for example, you have to calculate the square root of 36 using that method. Okay, it will go in one step only. 144. How to calculate the square root of 144 using long division method? First, what you have to do? Use the number
Sir,
where
we
we
have
form
to
the
square below 14.
first
Below 1.
2 numbers
4
formed
equal
here.
to 1.
Okay. Now, whose
Sir,
square
1.
is 1 square is
1.
1. Okay. Minimum, must be nearest to the 1. Okay. Less but nearest or equal to 1. Okay. Now 1. What we are going to do now? Subtract.
Yes, sir.
Subtract. Okay. 0. Here it is 44. We'll write here. And here what we are going to do?
1.
Sir,
Plus
plus
1.
1.
Plus 1, 2.
Sir, plus
Now,
1.
okay. It means if this is something and here. What? If we are multiplying 1, 1 here.
Sir, 2.
It is
Sir, 20.
21.
Sir,
Now,
2,
Sir,
2.
2.
next multiply 2,
Sir, 2 to 2.
44.
44.
44 here.
2 times.
So 12 is the square. 2 times. Clear to all?
Sir, your voice is not coming clearly.
It's not clear now. Okay. Okay. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
So you have understood squares and square roots?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fundamental concept operations we have just completed, and statistics we have completed. Okay. So what you have to do, go through these chapters, revise it. Whenever you have doubt, you can ask in class anytime. Okay? Complete, revise these chapters. You are having 2 weeks before examination. So revise these chapters, and whenever you have doubt, do ask in class. Okay? And tomorrow onwards, tomorrow we will start the next chapter. Okay?